In this Stockmages review, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this image creator. Stockmages lets you create unlimited and unique images for local businesses that you can use for yourself or sell to your clients, making up to $15,237 per month. Get instant access to over 3,500 high-definition, professionally cut-out images and start selling your services to any business. High-quality content. Create high-quality content using professionally cut-out, no images. Made for local businesses. Carefully organized into 20 local business niche categories. Easy to use. Create unique scenes every time in 3 easy steps. One-time payment. You pay once, no recurring fee. Over 3,500 images. Use over 3,500 real images that will give you endless creation possibilities. No more time and money. No more time and money wasted on daily content. It's like having a professional photography expert at your disposal 24/7 with just a click away. One-time payment, only $37. The normal price was $97. Create unlimited and unique content with stock images in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick the perfect cutout image. Pick one or more no background images out of 3,500 plus that is perfect for your projects. Pick the perfect background. Any background you choose will work perfectly with your picked no background image. Blend them together. Your images will blend seamlessly with only a few drag and drop moves. By following these simple yet effective steps, you'll be able to create professionally and unique image content for any niche, industry, product, or service in the world in just 30 seconds flat. Our ads and posts results while we are testing our content, some of the results we've had: 5 times more views and cheaper click ads. 3 times more visitors from Google image search for a landscaping business. 1K likes, 4K likes. Spoiler alert, Stockmages on its way to becoming one of the best, if not the best in the market. I gotta say that Stockmages is more useful than I ever expected. I really can create any image I want for my client's social media. Nice, very nice. Stockmages is the best. I started depending on it too much. Stephen, I gotta say, I think you reached a peak in original image creation with this product. Can't wait for the launch date. Access over 3,500 professionally cut out images, carefully categorized in 20 local business niches. Here are just some of the most popular ones you can access as soon as you join. We care giving you everything you need, and that includes over 1,500 background images. Constantly generate top quality content for businesses like barbershops, bars and coffee shops, gardening and landscape, restaurants and catering, plumber services, dental care, auto and moto service, pet grooming and pet shops, weight loss and nutrition, and the list goes on and on. Introducing the world's first no background image bundle that empowers marketing agencies and local businesses worldwide. With Stockmages, you'll be able to create unique images for your business and your clients, custom the perfect image for online or offline advertising, use no background images to make your videos more appealing, save money and time searching for new images online, and to make sure there's literally no stone left unturned, and to guarantee your success, we're even introducing the full over-the-shoulder video training that's going to make you a content creation expert and helps you scale your business exposure to a new level. Everything you need to succeed is included on the other side of the buy button. Once the payment is complete, you'll get instant access to everything. Get started with Stockmages now. And when I say everything, I mean exactly this. Over 3,500 high quality, no background images to create unlimited scenes in any local business niche in just seconds. Over 1,500 high converting background images and textures. The over-the-shoulder video training that will make you an image editing expert in no time. Works with any image or video editing software. Create 100% original, plagiarize free image content with each click. And more surprise bonuses you'll find out as soon as you join. Turn any underperforming website into a sales machine with just a few clicks. With Stockmages, there's no designer experience necessary. It's easy even for non-techie people. Just take a look at what type of visual content you can create in a few seconds by using the Stockmages bundle. See just a few examples out of unlimited possibilities. As we can see here, we can just drag to see the options. Vacation, delivery, cup of coffee. Here's how Stockmages will put an end to your content creation struggle. 30 days money back guarantee. Don't you agree that with an easy to follow formula, Stockmages unlimited content at your fingertips, it is 100% impossible not to double your conversion rate and get new clients in your business. I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is. That's why Stockmages comes with our bulletproof, no questions asked, 30 days money back guarantee for any and all possible reasons. This means you have absolutely no risk and no excuses not to give this a try today. If you want to be among the first who capitalise on this opportunity, then hit the buy button and get immediate access to one of the easiest online making systems you've ever come across. And as a special launch bonus, we're also including our high-ticket clients video training, where you will learn why to choose high-ticket clients, how the sales processes work, what it takes to close clients, how to price your product, how to position yourself as an expert, how to deliver after payment, and more. The video training alone costs $39, but today you get it for free. This is a complete no-brainer offer. Yes, I understand that I will get instant access in just minutes from now to everything below. Instant access to 3,500 plus professionally cut out images in PNG format. All images categorized into 20 plus local business niche folders so that you won't spend time searching. Over the shoulder video training for you to level up your image blending skills in 3 minutes. More bonuses for local marketers after checkout. 1,500 background images for the perfect scenes. Bonus, our high-ticket clients video training. Invitation into our Facebook mastermind group for local marketers. Possibility to always be in front of your competitors. Get started with Stockmages now. But hurry, the price will increase. But hey, even if we charge $497, it would still be worth it because you'd make that back in just one deal. Obviously, if you don't want to pay that much, just click the buy button now while it's the lowest price that it will ever be. If you are ready to take charge of your financial situation, then hit the buy button now, and I'll see you inside the members area just a few minutes from now. I had a hard time maintaining a presence online. Finding images to post was hard, time and money consuming. But since Ali gave me access to Stockmages, all that changed for me. I am now making content that has increased my post views and likes. I use these images even on my website, and visitors have increased because everyone is searching food through images. Who would have guessed? Thank you, Stephen, for this life-saving opportunity. I've been granted early access to Stockmages by Stephen, and I've managed to create stunning content for my shop and artist social media pages, and even for my website in basically minutes. What our customers say. I really love the product. It has a ton of opportunity. Simple to use it to your advantage. Who else has an unlimited image content creation way like this? As a local marketer, I'm really pleased I've come across this product. I don't spend time searching for images to post on my client's social media anymore, and that was a part of my job I hated. I just got access, and so far the experience has been great. Managed to create my first image for my coffee shop's Instagram account in just a few minutes. Wonderful product, makes creating new content very easy, and everything is very well categorized. Just cancelled all my stock images subscriptions. Frequently asked questions. What license will I receive with the product? You will get commercial rights that allow you to use the images for any personal or commercial project. However, please note that the model releases are not obtained from any of the image in the bundle. What format are the files? The images from Stockmages are format in standard PNG with transparent background, which are compatible with most software. As these images are without a background, you can easily put them on top of any background regardless of its style and colour, and they will integrate with them seamlessly. The background image will you receive with the products are in standard JPEG, which are also compatible with most software. Together, they will make a perfect blend in any software. How will I receive my order? After your order has been processed, an email with the download links and instructions will be automatically sent to your email. Please check your email for the download links on how to access your ordered products. Where can I get help? If you require any support with our product, please contact us through our online help desk. Return and refund policy. Please note all refunds must be done through jvzu.com, not PayPal. If you want to request for a refund, please open a support at our help desk. If you open a dispute on PayPal, it will only delay the entire refund process, and it will take up to weeks or even months to get the refund done if you open a dispute on PayPal. Thank you for watching the Stockmages review.